켜져라. 켜져라. 켜졌다. 뚱뚱이는 몇 개 안 남았고, 이 보통으로 플레이하는 게 좀 있어갖고 보통을 좀 플레이해야 되겠네. 진압방패 갖고 싶은데. 꼰총 괜찮나? 꼰총을 안 써봤네. 보통 미션을 안 했어. 근접전? 근접 공격 있어? 관대한 스폰서. 뭔 소리야 이거. 이거 어렵던데. 이거 슬라이드 중에 상대 10명에게 데미지 주. 어려워. 벨레님 했어요? 저거? 일부러 슬라이딩 하는데 다 헤드 맞고 죽어. 아, 이 또 신경을 안 쓰려니까 저거 남아있는 게 또 보기가 싫네.
The ultra rares are setting the pace. The ultra rares pocket a hidden gem as they steal
어디야?
cash out.
This'll burn!
The ultra rares suffer a wipeout.
They're as common as a four-leaf clover in the arena now.
Uh-oh, only one contestant left for the ultra rares are back in action. Look at that. The Boundless are in the lead.
Here!
The High Notes composed a winning play, stealing that cash out.
안 돼!
For the ultra rares.
뺏기면 안
They
된다!
might be rare, but they're not in mint condition anymore.
아, 저걸 뺏겼구네.
Using gas grenade.
That's the final whistle, and the result
아니,
is in.
시작하자마자 3이야?
And now we celebrate as one team of contestants becomes a group of rising stars. Thanks again to our sponsors and to our viewers at home.
확실히 배그처럼 느린 게임 하다가 빠른 게임 하니까 속이 뻥 뚫는 건가? 아, 전 잘했음. 우리 편이 못한 거임. 이렇게 우겨본다. 아, 나도 갑자기 기침이 나오냐? 엘레님한테 옮겼나? 아, 내일 치과 가야 되는데. 기침하면 죽음인데? 치과 가서. 점프, 얘 제세동기 있으니까 제세동기 빼버려.
Here we go! The shock and awe, the ultra rares, and finally, the big splash! The stage is set. It's showtime! Get
멀어,
ready for
멀어.
the ultimate cash crunch. The first team to hit that magic number will claim victory.
Remember, last season, a lot of teams won by prioritizing teamwork.
Airborne.
Not everyone made it out of this encounter. It's our first elimination.
It's a test of nerves and skill from here. Vault 1 is being unlocked by the shock and awe.
뭐야, 어디야?
With an ultra sharp play, the ultra rares have started our first cash out.
It's a one-of-a-kind comeback from the ultra rares.
Pyro grenade out. A little present.
아, 네.
The big splash swam away with a cash out. Great steal!
Hello from the North Pole.
This'll
This'll burn. Jump pad here.
The ultra rares are placing all of their hopes on their last remaining contestant. The big splash land the first cash out.
에이 뭐야? 야, 이상한 데 꼈어.
The ultra rares burst into action, opening Vault 2.
아니 금고로 가야지 왜 다 나한테 보는 거야?
The ultra rares are initiating a cash out.
Move to cash out, C. Confirmed. This might burn.
아 왜 안 죽어? 야, 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 이 뚱뚱이 이거.
The big splash are experiencing some tough times. One contestant left.
I just got word from our producers that we're about to launch an event. Our contestants better buckle up. Things about to get downright devastating in the arena,
Deploying a
as
surprise.
any damage is about to be magnified, amplified, and intensified.
The shock and awe looted a cash out.
Will they make this a spree, I wonder?
Tossing some fire.
아, 나이스.
Unbelievable determination from the competitors.
됐어, 됐어. 버저비터다,
With fame and
버저비터.
fortune on the line today, our contestants sure gave us a great show. We'll see you next time on the finals.
이번 건 내가 좀 쩔었다. 확실하죠. 제가 다 뺏었는데. 에이. 모자 풀렸다. 응? 재무팀이 뭐지? 재무팀이 뭐죠? 힘과 함께 캐시아웃 3회 2회 했으니까 한 번 더 하면 되겠네? 아, 이거 합류하네. 야, 이동하는 거 저거 좀 힘들 텐데. 대대동류 있네. 오케이, 가스질. 중중소야?
All right, the high notes, the jet setters, and finally, the kingfish. It's game time, folks. Welcome to Quick Cash. Our contestants will need to gather the cash faster than the rest. If they hit the goal first, they can bask in glory.
Scotty, these rules are simple, but things usually get complicated in the arena.
The jet setters take flight, opening Vault 1.
Deploying jump pad.
Here we go, Scotty. The teams are getting to know each other out there. And by that I mean, we have our first elimination.
It's go time! Outnumbered, but still going strong, is the last standing contestant of the Jet Setters.
야, 이런? 다시 올라. 오케이. 너 어떻게 올라가냐? 예?
The Kingfish are all fired up. They've started our first cash out. The Kingfish just made a move to the top.
Opening a buy.
큰일 났다. 나이스. 에이?
The Kingfish will need to try again. Team wiped.
야. 뺏기겠는데?
The Kingfish are back in the arena, folks.
After some turbulence, the jet setters are soaring again.
The Jet Setters just pirated a cash out.
Throwing pyro grenade. Mine the mine. Gas mine armed. Let's get airborne.
What a way to open the match.
Hey,
The
right.
Jet Setters land the first cash out. The high notes are almost off the scale. Just one contestant left standing.
안 돼. 우리 편 뭐 하십니까?
Drum roll, please. The high notes are opening Vault 2.
Missile burn!
와, 뭐, 어?
Yikes. Team wipe for the Kingfish.
이거 맞아?
Here we go. Our upcoming event will surely put the adaptability of our contestants to the test.
The Kingfish have returned to the arena.
아, 안 돼.
Laser in the sky
맞지? 그쪽으로 가.
scanning for any contestants who are standing still. Our contestants need to keep moving or find cover.
The high notes just have one member still standing. No more three-part harmonies for now.
Frag grenade out!
Our orbital lasers event is still active, so our contestants need to keep moving to avoid going out like a light.
아, 저.
Setting a mine! Tossing some fire!
Let's see whether the last
와, 이게
member of the
도대체 몇
Kingfish
개야?
can avoid a team wipe.
A little present!
We're at the end of this game show event. What a spectacle!
어디요?
Misfortune for the high notes. Team wipe.
Scotty, they've gone from plenty of notes to a 3-beat rest.
Missile burn!
The high notes have respawned.
아, 저기, 씨. 계속 설치하네.
This match just passed its midway point. A lot of action still in store for you folks.
The first half was just a taste of what's to come. The real battle has only just begun.
이거 뭐 킬수 올리기로 바뀌었나?
They'll need to learn to swim with the sharks out there.
킬수 올리기로 바꿨나 보네.
The kingfish are respawning. They need to establish themselves as big fish in a small pond.
아! 안 돼! 아, 미친! 쟤네만 도와줬네.
Tossing a frag.
Cash out in progress thanks to the jet setters.
하나 더 있어.
Special delivery. Throwing smoke.
Throwing fire. Let's get airborne.
아, 이거 뭐야, 씨. 팔꿈치. 바본 줄 알았는데, 팔꿈치.
Alas, the high notes have been wiped out.
That's what you call facing the music, Scotty.
Trouble has found the kingfish. They're down to one contestant.
아, 이거 졌네. 저거 어떻게 할 수가 없네.
Pyro grenade out.
It's all over, folks. That's a wrap. That's a wrap for now, and even though the battle was
아,
virtual,
딱
our
포탑
contestants'
장난 아니네.
newfound
아.
fame is real.
중간 난입 같은데?
Now, the mighty, the powerhouses, and finally, the overdogs.
어허,
The arena has loaded.
엘렌님하고 똑같은 스킨.
Welcome to the fast world of quick cash. The first team to hit the targeted total claims victory.
As Scotty said, it's time to dash, cash, and hopefully not crash.
어디로 올라가야 돼?
The powerhouses are flexing at Vault 1.
We could be witnessing the birth of new rivalries here.
The battle lines
기절
are
뭔데?
drawn. The overdogs are close to being wiped. Just one contestant still fighting out there.
우리 편 뭐하누? 여보세요? 뭔가 순간이동한 느낌 뭐지?
Complete team wipe for the mighty.
They just couldn't muscle in on that play, Scotty.
The mighty have returned to the arena.
Going to cash out A.
The powerhouses are looking to make a name for themselves. First cash out started.
The powerhouses have turned up the heat with a stunning turnaround.
뭐야 이거?
The powerhouses have been rattled. Team white.
아이고 씨.
The powerhouses are back in action.
빨리 가자, 빨리 가자.
Sick of being the underdogs, the overdogs are back on track.
Fantastic steal by the overdogs.
Some skilled play can change the game.
아, 저거를?
Oh no, just a single contestant left in the arena for the powerhouses.
Powerhouses are back in the running with a turnaround. Up that dip!
Fantastic steal by the powerhouses.
Aggressive and impressive.
내가 너무 못한다.
Great move there by the mighty. The mighty are playing for keeps. They've snagged the match's first cash. team is the Mighty's last standing contestant. Looks like a team wipeout for the Mighty.
More plight than might for them.
Cash out set in motion by the powerhouses. The Mighty have respawned.
Okay, it's time to shake things up a bit with an event. Prepare for even more mayhem.
Sonar grenade out!
Our contestants shouldn't get bent out of shape, even if we're warping space-time in the arena.
Watch out, over there.
Throwing sonar grenade!
Enemy.
아유, 로 그래피티. 아, 아깝다.
A bit of virtual catastrophe for the Overdogs. Team wiped.
They lost the scent of victory that time.
Cash out complete, and the powerhouses just got richer.
아, 소나 바꿔야 되는데.
Oh look, a new vault is ready to be opened.
Capture Vault 3!
Charging for cash.
We've reached the end of this game show event.
The powerhouses are busy tapping into Vault 3. Mighty are in pole position. Things are heating up as we pass the halfway point of this match.
That's right. Usually it's in the second half it all gets decided.
Watch out, there. Using touch grenade.
아따, 얘들 잘한다.
ready for the overdogs. Wipeout.
They're off to the doghouse now.
Powerhouses are initiating a cash out. The overdogs are back and ready to avenge that team wipe. They stole it. The mighty just became guilty of theft, but it's good for the scoreboard. Will the sole survivor on the powerhouses be able to keep a team wipe at bay? Let's see. Someone will have a bone to pick with the overdogs as they steal a cash out.
Remember, that's illegal in many jurisdictions, but not here.
이거 안 돼.
Throwing pyro grenade. Drop the mine.
A bit of virtual catastrophe for the mighty. Team wipe.
They've gone from will to may to might, and that's a grammar joke, Scotty.
The mighty are rejoining the match. The overdogs just marked their territory with that cash out. A new vault just appeared. Let's see who grabs that cash. The powerhouses are opening Vault 4 with brute force.
우리 편 힘내. A로 가.
Banking on victory, the mighty just started a cash out.
This'll burn.
The mighty take the top spot.
Gas mine dropped. Mine the mine.
아우,
Ouch, that's gotta hurt. The overdogs
난리도
only have
아니네.
a single contestant in the arena now.
Deploying a surprise.
The overdogs will need to try again. Team wipe.
They got roughed up, Scotty.
저거 떨어졌다. 1층이다, 1층.
Time is flying by. Our contestants have one more minute to earn their fame.
Group up on our teammate. Charging.
The overdogs are back in action. With only 30 seconds to go, our contestants are still bringing the action. as we power down the simulation and our contestants
1층인 줄 알고
unlock,
갔더니
let's take a
2층이네.
moment to applaud our new rising stars.
빠른 근접 공격. 일간. 어? 슬라이드 중. 아, 이건 하니까 또 되네? 잠깐만. 근접 주는 게 있었나? 나 방패. 진압 방패부터 사자. All right, the tough shells, the jet setters, and finally, the high notes. Watch closely, folks. They're ready. Quick cash. It's a mad sprint to the finish. First team to bank our total target gets the glory.
Right on the money, Scotty. Speed is key.
The high notes are squeezing into Vault 1.
That's our first elimination. Our contestants clearly mean business today, Scotty.
This is what it's all about, partner.
Attack with me! Attack! On me! Come on!
The high notes are all fired up. They started our first cash out. The high notes will need to try again. Team wiped.
서로 다른 편 아니야? 같은 편이구나. 다른 편이다. 다른 편 같다. 에이, 바로 안 죽이네,
The high
쟤는.
notes are back in action. Will the remaining contestant on the jet setters play it safe or try to take our highlight reel?
Tossing some fire!
The high notes have made a resounding comeback.
Impressive steal by the high
Jump pad
notes.
deployed!
make a
좋았다.
bold statement with the first cash out of the match. We've got the tough shells returning to the arena. The high notes seem to be extorting Vault 2. A wipeout in the center of the
Games for them.
The tough shells are re-entering the arena. The high notes have started a cash out.
Gas mine throw.
Jump pad ready.
The remaining contestant on the tough shells needs to show some of that toughness now.
This might burn.
The tough shells made an awesome steal there.
The excitement never stops in the finals, and we've got a new event just around the corner.
The jet setters nabbed a cash out.
Sending a rocket. Throwing pyro grenade.
Looks like the laws of gravity are taking a coffee break in the arena. Contestants should expect a bit of a floating feeling.
아우. 아우, 이 로우 그래비티. 씨.
Jet setters landed a cash out. I love the smell of a fresh vault in the arena. Fortune for the jet
어이?
setters. Team wiped.
They flew into some headwind there.
The only remaining contestant on the high notes has an opportunity to shine here. The high notes are harmonizing at Vault 3. The jet setters have returned to the arena.
Tossing the fire.
어이, 뭐야, 갑자기 통과가 돼. 그냥 어디 가는 거지?
the end of this game show event. What a spectacle!
It's not a shell game, but the Tough Shells have just tucked a cash box into a cash-out station. As we pass the halfway point of the match, you could cut the tension with a knife, or an assassin's dagger, or a cheese slicer.
The contestants are doing well, Scotty, and I wonder if the sponsor's support has something to do with that.
A tough spot to be in. The Tough Shells are down to one contestant trying to avoid elimination. The Jet Setters denied a cash out. Great steal.
아 진짜 너네 왜 이러냐. 아바야가
Throwing fire!
할 수 있나?
That's the buzzer.
아유,
Fantastic
아깝다.
performance from all involved. A big thanks to our sponsors for bringing us this incredible spectacle, and a big congratulations to our winners.
한 번 남았네. 800 모았으니까 드디어 살 수 있다. 잠금 해제. 또나? 이나 빵패. 됐어. 디너빵패 써봅시다. 빠바바바바밤. 톡톡.
Here we go! The powerhouses, the steamrollers, and finally, the jet setters. Let's get into it. Our contestants will race to riches in quick cash. The first to reach the cash goal will claim victory.
Our contestants might be tempted to make a snow fort out there in our holiday arena, but as always, Goo will make a better defense.
Sky-high aspirations in the arena today. Contestants must look upward to find the cash-out stations and a chance at victory. A treat for our fans as the powerhouses are opening Vault 1.
Our contestants must be getting to know each other's strengths and weaknesses because we've got our first elimination.
We've got some trigger-happy contestants out there today. Love it. A chance to be a hero for the Steamrollers' last contestant here. Our sponsors are ready to be impressed.
아, 뒤에 사다 있었네?
Looks like a team wipeout for the jet setters.
Cash out A, I'm diving in.
The jet setters are re-engaging.
Yes.
The powerhouses are revving their engines and have started our first cash out.
Agreed. Time to bounce.
그걸 막았는데. 이거 어떻게 올라가면 또.
Let's go up there. Get up there. Go up there.
The jet setters are back. Team respawned.
Enemy up there.
아, 이거 어렵네.
The
This is exactly what the powerhouses needed. They've pocketed our first cash out. The last member of the Jet Setters needs to do everything they can to avoid a team wipe.
Breach vault!
Vault 2 is being unlocked by the powerhouses. The steamrollers are re-entering the arena.
Let's go in there!
The powerhouses will need to come back from that wipeout.
Moving to cash out station C. Affirmative. Let's go up the...
아, 나.
Cash out set in motion by the steamrollers.
또
It's
하필
time for a new
로그를
event
붙이네.
in the arena, which is sure to test our contestants' skills.
Smoke out! Preparing explosives.
Watch your step. Things are about to get a bit lighter.
Missile burn!
The powerhouses plundered a cash out. The powerhouses will need to reboot. Team wiped.
They couldn't keep the roof from caving in on their game plan.
The Jet Setters just grabbed someone else's baggage off the belt. A sneaky steal.
Big rewards from a risky move.
A long-awaited return to the arena for the powerhouses. Our sponsors are watching the last contestant on the Jet Setters, who has a chance to avoid
에,
a team
뺏겼다.
wipe. It's all over and going into the books.
아, 이 로고 그래피티 너무 짜증나.
One of our teams have just paved their way to fame. Congratulations to our winners.
이 방패는 연습을 많이 해야 되겠네. 아, 털에 설치하다는 게 방패 때문에 잊어버렸네. 고통의 연속. 상쾌야. 주간은 다 끝냈다. 1일 1명 처치. V로 처치해야 되네요. V 처치 너무 힘든데? 똑똑 똑똑똑.
All right, the tough shells, the shock and awe, and finally, the kingfish.
Unleash our contestants.
Our contestants will need to unleash their inner tycoons in quick cash. They'll need to gather enough cash first to win.
The arena's more like a snow globe now. Perfect for contestants who want to shake things up.
We've got our standard default arena lined up today, folks, but I'm pretty sure we'll see some exceptional action from the teams today. The Shock and Awe are examining the contents of Vault 1.
And with that encounter, we've got our first elimination.
I hope we get to see more of that.
Team wipe calamity for the tough shells.
They'll need to hide in their shells for a bit.
Sprint to cash out B.
A long-awaited return to the arena for the tough shells.
The Shock and Awe are all
Time to
fired up.
foul.
They've started our first cash out.
어.
Impressive steal by the Kingfish.
Throwing carpet grenade.
The Kingfish are many members short of a school. Only one contestant left.
어이씨.
Alas,
왜 안
Kingfish
죽어?
have been wiped out. A timely lead for the tough shells.
Cash out nabbed by the tough shells. The Kingfish are rejoining the match.
좋았어, 내 방어가 먹혔다.
as they steal a cash out. This is exactly what the Kingfish needed. They've pocketed our first cash out.
Behind you! Enemy!
원래 놈이야.
The shock and awe are opening Vault 2. The
Converge on
Kingfish have
Vault 2.
respawned. Let's see how they bounce back.
Let's go over there! Jump pad ready!
아, 저거 엄청 도망다니네. 씨.
If the shock and awe lose another contestant, they'll get wiped.
This might burn! Going to cash out C!
Up here, come on!
아, 근접 키를 바꿔야 되겠다.
A holiday gift!
Oh, this is bad. Just one contestant left for the tough shells.
It's event time. I hope our contestants are ready for a surprise out there.
The shock and awe have commenced a cash out.
We've cranked up the damage in the arena. Side effects include crumbling buildings and total chaos.
The Kingfish just seized a cash out with authority.
뭐야? 아이고, 왜 이래?
The shock and awe will need to come back from that wipeout.
Throwing pyro grenade!
The shock and awe have a chance to strike again. Team respawn. Mega damage event is still active, and there's already enough digital debris in the arena to make you think a pack of vandals got loose out there.
뺏긴다, 뺏긴다.
The shock
Ah,
and awe
you
denied a
picking.
cash out. Great steal.
They just upped the ante.
Enemy spotted!
Watch out, there!
The shock and awe are in trouble, but don't count them out just yet. They still have one contestant left.
나이스.
The match we've just
어우,
witnessed.
소가 잘했다.
It's lights out in the arena, just as the spotlight swings to our winners. From all of us here at the finals, thanks for watching.
진압 방패 좀 더 활용적으로 할 수 있을 것 같은데. 이게 뭐 달 거 없나? 접전이 안 되네.
Cash out set in motion by the Kingfish.
We're about to get up close and personal with some serious cosmic debris.
뭐야?
The Boundless are back in the arena, folks. The cash out station has been robbed by the mighty.
Go defensive on me.
With our meteor showers event still active, our contestants are coping with the universe throwing them a fiery curveball or 12.
야, 저 뺏기잖아. 뺏기는 걸.
They're signaling something, Scotty. They're saying game on. We've reached the end of this game show event.
A bit of virtual catastrophe for the Boundless. Team wiped. The Kingfish just helped themselves to a cash out. The Boundless have respawned. A regal moment as the Kingfish have completed a cash out.
Access call 3.
That's a blow to the Kingfish. Team wiped.
They're floundering, Scotty.
With a show of might, the mighty are opening Vault 3.
Throwing fire.
team so far, June.
No doubt. The second half will be filled with even more unforgettable moments.
Cash out D.
The mighty will need to try again. Team wiped.
I'd say, oh, how the mighty
아유,
have fallen if
하늘은
it weren't so
맑구만.
cliché.
The Boundless are initiating a cash out. The mighty have recovered and
Cash out A. Full
respawned.
speed.
The Boundless pull ahead. Turns out that there are plenty of fish in the sea. Only one contestant left on the queue. Kingfish denied cash out. Great steal.
A move that definitely sets the stakes higher, Scotty.
The Kingfish have been rattled. Team wiped.
They're definitely a fish out of water.
Gas line set. Unwrapped in.
The Boundless have recovered and respawned.
This'll burn.
The mighty The Boundless have the advantage now. The Boundless pilfered a cash
Inbound for
out.
cash out A.
아이고. 졌다.
An exhilarating match, but now our game is over. And now we celebrate as one team of contestants becomes a group of rising stars. Thanks again to our
대대대가
sponsors
이겼네.
and to our viewers at home.
자, 오늘 포인트 많이 모았으니까 오늘은 여기까지 하도록 하겠습니다. 예, 내일 봐요.